come down.
Oh yeah.
Training.
People up on the roofs there, look.
Oh, yeah.
Just on the balcony down at Cal Shot.
That's a warning siren at, yeah, I don't know. 6:59.
What are we on? 5?
So what's the time now?
6:59.
6:59. Oh, so that's got to be the last minute warning. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on, focus. Oh my God. I'll try not to. We've got hold tight.
I've just held it and then I'm getting ready to just push it and watch through.
Oh, my heart's pounding.
Are you right, Zaki?
Ready for the
Oh,
big
there's
boom
a
boom?
warning beforehand, didn't there?
That was it. There we go.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Whoa, it was straight down. Just like that. Oh my God. Oh look. Oh my God, they've taken it all down.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Wow.
That's mad.
Oh my God. Jesus. And it's gone just like that.
Just like that. That was quick, wasn't it?
Jesus. The way that come down was something else, wasn't it? That was actually really smooth.
That stood on itself, didn't it? So, I don't know who did it, but they did it very well.
Yeah.
Well, it did on itself rather than... Oh, that was it.